For creators, a good tool is essential. It should be portable, powerful, easy to use. Introducing Tycoon, the DIY Pro 3D printer with linear rail X-axis. Setting up Tycoon is easy. Just install 4 screws on the printer, and it's ready to go. Tycoon's auto-leveling function will guarantee a perfect flat printing platform and save you lots of time from manually leveling. You can also level it through adjustable footpads if you need. With the X-axis linear bearing structure, Tycoon's Z-axis accuracy is 30% more than the ordinary pulley structure. Along with the dual Z-axis design, they ensure the printer's smooth motion, printing accuracy, and even reduces wear over time. Thanks to the integrated extruder kit, Tycoon is smaller and performs better than most of the 3D printers on the market, and it can print with flexible filaments. The rotary feeding in will help you monitor the filament charging status all the time, and the filament sensor makes sure the printer stops and notifies you when the filament is gone. If the power is off, just simply restore the power and the printer will resume exactly from where it was. The filament holder structure guarantees a smooth discharging, and you can adjust the spacing and positioning for filaments with different manufacturers' standards. With the latest Marlin 2.0 version mainboard and the TMC 2208 silent motherboard, Tycoon is fast, powerful, and super quiet. And the dual gantry structure makes it even more stable, less shaking when printing. Operating Tycoon with the full-color touchscreen is simple and responsive, and it supports up to 9 languages. Also, you can transfer your files to Tycoon through Wi-Fi. And with the Octoprint and webcam accessories, you can control and monitor Tycoon through your computer or mobile devices. There's no extra cable out of Tycoon. It's neat and steady. And with the dual handles, you can move Tycoon around easily. Use Tycoon wherever you're at and whenever you want. It could be your little factory. It could be the first 3D printer you ever own. Tycoon, the DIY 3D printer with industrial-grade performance.